Okay, welcome to Anacortes Calendar. It's a new Facebook group designed to bring everything that Anacortes offers in the line of events and entertainment, dancing, hiking, you name it, all the things that we have so many things to do here. And I have personally wrestled with an inability to bring all of them into focus, and that's what I hope to do here. Okay, to add an event, you'll just click here in the group and click on the more. You see these three dots up here and choose Create Event. Upload. I'm going to give you an example here. The Rockfish I know has something later this month, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that to set things up and give you an example of how it works. Okay, you can drag your photo around a little bit if you don't like it exactly where it is. Drag to reposition or change it. Event name, I'll just grab it off of their website here. And location, I guess I need to grab that, which is, there they are. Description, I'll just grab that paragraph off of their website. And frequency, it's a one-time deal, this particular event is, and that's on the 23rd. And they don't have a date on their calendar, but a Saturday night event, I'm going to guess it's 8 o'clock. I'm sure they'll tell me if it's different. Okay, and we'll end it at 11 and let them again tell me different. Okay, add schedule is only going to be used if you wanted this event not even to appear until some later date. So if you want it to appear as of right now, don't use this. If you want to schedule it to appear a week from now or 2 weeks from now, then click on that and follow through. Now this next one needs a little bit of explaining. Post permissions and post approval. Okay, you're posting an event. People are going to often want to weigh in on that, talk to you. They might be critical, they might be complimentary, it might be a question, anything. You've got to decide if you want them to be able to say anything. If you don't, you're going to just choose only hosts can post. That would be you. You're the host of your event. If you want to allow anyone to post, you can click that. That'll inspire more to and from between the audience of this event. And below that, if there is going to be to and fro on the conversation, you get to indicate whether you want to approve those posts before they appear publicly to your audience. And a check mark there will ensure you don't end up with profanity or something else you don't like on your post. And the last thing I'd like to talk about is show guest list. There's no reason you would not want that checked. This lets everybody know who else is coming to that event. When you're finished, just click that blue Create button and your event will be off and running. Start adding those events and let's make this calendar a resource for the Anacortes community. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.